All right, this is a Freckle tutorial. Freckle is software used in the classroom to differentiate instruction and also differentiate assessment. Freckle hosts assessments in math, ELA, social studies, and science. If you look over on the left-hand side, this is the control panel. You can input your students' names and assign them individual assignments. Now, one of the beauties of Freckle is that it allows students to work at their own pace. So if they haven't mastered a particular skill, Freckle won't advance them to the next level or round without full mastery. It also identifies the learning gaps and offers intervention recommendations for each student. As students master certain standards or skills, they earn coins, which allow them to earn certificates within the program and um, earn coins to play games. This software is frequently used in East Elementary classrooms.